guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a super wow release from Sunny Studios. It's a huge release. They have their fall and winter release combined together, so there's lots of goodies to play with. I'm going to share what we have here. I have a free with 60. You'll see this cutie pop into your cart once your order qualifies. It's called Scaredy Cat, and it's super, super adorable. This cute little cat popping out of the pumpkin. There is a moon and stars and a sentiment. Happy Halloween. You could purchase the coordinating die that's available in the shop. And they have several cute little 3x3 stamp sets here. This one is called Hedgy Holidays. It's so cute. You can have a card with a bunch of them rolling down a hill. That would be super fun. Even create, how about a Christmas tree and have them as ornaments? That would be super cute. It comes with sentiments, and there is a coordinating die. We've got Little Buckaroo. You get two kids dressed up in cowboy outfits and the sentiment Howdy. And then there is a coordinating die for that. We've got Surfing Santa for those that have Christmas somewhere warm. So if you live in Florida or something like that, this image is perfect. Or if you have family members and you want to send a little holiday message to them, this is so fun. So we got Warm Christmas Wishes, and then the die is available. We've got Victorian Christmas. So you get this beautiful Victorian house and the sentiment Season's Greetings. And there is some little snowflake stamps in there. Their paper pads are always so beautiful. I love the rich jewel tone colors. This one here is the classic sunburst. So you get some sunburst pattern, and then you get this pattern at the bottom as well. And this one is called the Sleek Stripes. So those are available. We have 3 new Slimline dies. I love Slimline dies, and I love seeing all the new companies coming out with Slimline dies, and I'm so excited to see what is going to come out next. So this one is really pretty. It's got the scallop with the little holes punched out, and it comes with sentiments. So we've got a thank you, a hello, a congrats, and a greetings. So we've got the panel that you can use with stitching, and then you can use it with or without this die here. So that's great. So if you take it out, then you just get your scallop panel as one piece. Now you can also layer this piece on top and have some stitching. So that's really cool. This one's really nice. This, you have everything. You got your grass, your hills, your clouds, your waves. I got 2 sets of hills with stitching on both sides. Really, really pretty. And then if you want to add some added detail to your Slimline cards, we have these borders here. So we've got 6 different borders to add some extra detail to your Slimline cards, which is really nice if you want to jazz it up. Now onto the stamp sets. So these are the 4x6 stamp sets. This one is adorable. We've got Harvest Mice. And look how cute they are. You can put things in their hands. Little pumpkins, cheese. Look at that. You can put a little sweater on them. So you can put a sweater on that guy. There's corn. There's a little wheelbarrow, a wagon that you can fill up with pumpkins. You can make a little corn stalk in the background. There's some apples, and you get all these sentiments that you can mix and match to make a cute sentiment. And this is the coordinating die, and it does cut out some great little features like inside where the tail is. It also cuts out on the wagon here. So it cuts out a little hole in the center of this little triangle part there on the wagon. And on the corn stalks, it does cut out on the inside of those little leaves. So we've got Farm Fresh, which is super cute. I love this. So you get your background all set for you. The die does cut that out. So you can add that as a background and then build up your little farm scene here in the front. We've got sentiments. Hey there, I get by with a little help from my hens, just checking in. So super cute images. Look at that goat, he's so cute. This one is called Bountiful Autumn, and this one's great. There's not that many Thanksgiving stamp sets out there. This says Happy Thanksgiving, for your kindness, for all you do, and thankful for you. You get a couple turkeys, and then the turkey all ready to eat. We get a pie, pilgrim's hat, cornucopia, and all that fixings there. So that's fun. There's the coordinating die for that one. And Sunny Studios has a bunch of these scenes. This one is their winter scene, and I just love these. So they have a beautiful winter scene with houses and trees. Then you got your line of pine trees. That could be like a sidewalk right there. And then we've got an igloo with ice and a little tree. There's some snowflakes in here, some snow. And then there is a coordinating die to cut out these borders. Super cute. It just really adds to your card to create a background like that. And then we've got the penguin pals. So these cute little penguins. So now you get your penguin pals, perfect for this little background scene here. There's some heart balloons, a hat that you can add. There's a fish and like a fishing pole. He could be fishing. And then there's some fun sentiments to mix and match here to make a great sentiment. And then there's the coordinating die. This one is called North Pole. It's so adorable. The Mr. and Mrs. Santa Claus, you get your elves, the little sign that says North Pole, the plate of cookies, a little present, and then star balloons. So you can totally mix and match these balloons if you get both sets. There's the nice list, and then again your mixable sentiments there. You're on my nice list, Christmas cheer. And there's some little add-ons on here like little stars. There's little strings for your balloons. Just super cute. And then a coordinating die for that. So the next one here is called Holy Night. This one's beautiful. I love this one. Look at the baby Jesus. And we've got wise men still seek him. Oh, come, let us adore him in holy night. So this one's really cute. Got a set like this at home. You could kind of match it and place your little images around. So that's really fun. And we've got the coordinating die is really nice. It cuts out the inside portion here of the manger. So these are the inside holiday greetings. We've got two different sets. So if you're looking for holiday greetings for the inside of your cards, these are perfect. I'll just read a few. Let's see, we've got wishing you a season of joy, a season of cheer, but most of all, a wonderful year. And then let's see, we've got may the Christmas season fill your home with joy, your heart with love, and your life with laughter. And then we've got may the beauty and joy of Christmas bring praise to your heart and God's peace to your home. May the miracle of Christmas fill you with joy. May the light that shone in Bethlehem shine in your hearts this Christmas. So those are really nice. We've got Classy Christmas. So beautiful poinsettias. Love these pine branches. There's pine cones and berries. And then you get a sentiment Noel. Here's a smaller stamp set. This is the sledding critters. Look at those cute little critters. I love that dog. And then there's some presents in there. Dashing through the snow, sledding by with a holiday high. The die does come with some sentiments, so that's really nice. And you can see the die does cut out the inside here of the sleigh, so that's nice. The next one here is called Retro Ornaments. So you get your retro style ornaments. We've got Merry Christmas, some little things to decorate your ornaments with. We've got some strings that you could hang your ornaments off of. The little top to string your ornaments. And then the coordinating die does have a little hole to pop out the little hole on the ornament there, so that's nice. So there's 3 more dies. We've got the window quad circle die. So you get 4 circles. They're all stuck together, so you can use them on a Slimline card. Just cut it out twice. Then you get these pretty poinsettia pieces that you can put together. And then there's some stitching on these circles. So these 2 have double stitching and these 2 have single stitching. This one is the window quad square. So same with this one. So we've got some double stitching here on this one, and then these 3 have single stitching. And these are stuck together. And then we've got tags. These you can cut apart. So you got cute little tags. Look at that size. That's so cute. There's some tag toppers in there and some decorative pieces for your tag. There's tag reinforcers. So that's super cute. And then this is their frilly frames. I think that says Frilly Frames Quatre Foil. And it comes with this piece here, so it'll cut out your panel. You know, you can use the inside with or without that. And these will interchange if you have their other frilly frames. So you can take the inside of this and put it on a different one. So that's really neat about these. Their frilly frames line. And that's a really, really pretty design. That's the Sunny Studios release. I love everything. What is your favorite item? Leave it in the comments box down below. I'd love to hear what your favorite item is. And I will catch you guys real soon. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you later. Bye guys. Thanks for shopping.